Good day and welcome to today's construction class. My name is Oluwatunbi Blessing or Lalikon, the founder of Microtech. Today we consider the object as displayed on the screen. I click on Start to the sketch, pick the YZ plane, pick a rectangle of 28 by 60, enter. Alright, pick my coincident constraint, lock it at the origin right there, pick a line, draw this distance of 40 right there, enter, then have it right here with my dimension. Here to here is 10, then here to here is 14. Okay, with my circle right here, diameter 60, diameter 22, dimension here to here is 60. Right, so with my line, I have this and I have this. Okay, I finish sketch. I pick my extrude, so I use asymmetric. The front here is 60, the back here 54. Okay, yeah, shear sketch, making that 54 to the back. Okay, and I'm making this asymmetric to the front 8, to the back 60. Then what? Okay, so I'm going to hide this straight away. Origin like this, picking my plane, pulling this back at a distance of minus 22, enter. Right here I create sketch, I slice my graphics, just cut edges. I have this like this, like this. Okay, going to extend this, going to pick my dimension, making this 32, making this 12, and then making this 16. Okay, so I'm having this like this and this right here. So here to here is going to be 8, right here to here is going to be 50. Okay, that's it, and here is going to be 24. Okay, so I'm going to draw this all the way there down here. Tangential constraint be okay, so I'm going to pick extend. I will extend this like this, finish sketch, then what? Extrude this and this at 32 like this, then what? Okay, and I'm going to shear sketch, extrude this at 8, symmetric, then what? Okay, revolve this, select axis like this. Okay, revolve this, select axis at this, then what? Cut, then what? Okay, so like that. Then I'm going to what? Hide this. Then right here I create a sketch, circle of diameter 18 and at a distance of 24 from the edge like this. Right, finish sketch, extrude through all and what? Cut, then what? Okay, so I'm going to hide this so I can make this something gold metal. That is it. So that's the production of the object as displayed on the screen. My name remains Oluwatunbi Blessing or Lalikon, the founder of Microtech. kindly ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also refer it to your friends who might be in need of it. Thank you.